folks, it's Chris in Arena Studio Land with another quick lesson for you. If you want to understand the fundamentals of palm muting, then this is the video for you. Thanks for sticking around. Today we're going to get straight into it. Please give the channel a subscribe, I love it. And we're going to be chatting about palm muting. If you play with a little bit of gain or overdrive, then you're probably going to be utilising palm muting probably a lot more than if you play with a bit of a cleaner sound. So for an example, if we were looking at, say, a pentatonic riff, I was palm muting a lot of that. Okay, so what it does, it gives you a little bit of clarity between the notes when you're playing things, because when we play with a lot of gain or overdrive, especially when we're into warp drive sounds like this, it takes a little bit of cleaning up and control, and that's probably what we're adding to this. We're adding that element of control. So we've got a couple of ways that we can approach this. We can either karate chop the bridge and give us this. Hear the difference? And then we've got the luxury of taking it literally towards the headstock of the guitar and really tightening up and giving it more of a staccato. So do you see what's involved? It's literally just a little bit of lateral movement with this right arm as you're picking it. So most of that, believe it or not, was palm muted. I tend to utilise it because I come from more of a rock sort of metal background years ago. It was something that I had to develop in the style that I was using. Without that, you just literally get all this cross-talk and overtones ringing out on your chords. So I would suggest that you actually pick a little phrase and get really good at, and then you'll find that you'll adapt quite quickly to this. You know, and you'll find that you'll just relax that hand a little bit, that picking hand, just to let the clarity of certain notes come through, which you feel that you don't need to palm mute. So it's literally, like I say, a karate chop on the saddle, and just literally get this part of the palm to do what you need it to do. When you listen to great riffs like this, you know, Metallica Enter Sandman, that's a classic example of a really tight palm muted phrase on that. Take it off then and it doesn't sound half as interesting, but when you put a real good tight palm mute on there, and you get this. You know, so it does make a big difference to your tonality when you're playing. It's something that I tend to use even if I've got a lot less sort of, depends where my gate's set on this. Again, all that little phrase then, all palm muted, so you don't have to use it just purely on rock and metal sounds. It's great on a lot of things for clearing up your sounds, really. So have a little play with it, and I would recommend that you just try and get used to it. Feel that there's a very slight movement, and it's just ever such a gentle kiss, dare I say, with the palm of your hand to keep it under control. Wind that gain up, you know, so that you really got to fight the amp and the guitar at the same time, and you'll realise that it's quite an easy technique to get to grips with. So karate chop, slide back and two to add the amount. If you want more, closer to the neck. If you want less, closer to the saddle, and that'll clean things up a little bit, and you know, see how you go with it. So thanks for watching. It's Chris in Arena Studio Land, and please give me a like and a subscribe and all that lot, and I'll see you in the not too distant future. Stay safe and well, and keep on rocking in the free world.